Okay, so the little warnings come up that I need to replace the battery in my BMW. This first came out in the F series, these keys, from 2011 onwards. And the battery in these is really easy to replace. Now, why have I got myself a dinner knife here? Because I'm gonna have a go at changing this battery just with the dinner knife. Little button on the back here, press that, pull that out. That's how you get through to your key. Make another video about what that's all about. But in here, if you look, there's a little tab just there. There's this back section here, that's what's gonna pop out. There's a little tab. So obviously you can do this with a screwdriver or different things, but I'm thinking we can just get under there. Yeah, look at that. Whoop! And pop it off. And there's the little clips that hold it in. And there's the battery. CR2450 is the one that you need. And then, it's in there a bit tight, see if it'll pop out. All right, I'm gonna go and get something wooden. I'm just not gonna risk it with something metal, and I'll peel that out. I've got my new battery here. They're really quite thick. There's different watch batteries in this 2450 in this range. There's 32 and all sorts. So far as how wide they are, this is a very wide one. But I will go and get something. We'll hook that out and we'll swap it up. With the theme of everyday items, this is a pen lid, just a lid off a pen. But anything you can get in there. Oh, that is pretty tight. Here we go. That's out. Put the old one off to the side. New battery in. It just pokes in under that edge, like that. That clips back in on top. There's a little tab on the bottom there. Poke that in. Clicks back into place. Put the key back in. Put it in the right side. There you go. We're done. Battery's changed. Now we can just go outside and give it a try.